Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have my August favorites video and I'm so excited because I love favorites videos, sharing what I've been loving for the month. It's kind of a good time to get on the same page. If I forgot to show you guys on Snapchat or Instagram stories, then here's the time to tell you guys what I've been loving. Got pretty much makeup, a tiny bit of skincare, like one skincare item, and then I have one item that is like, I would say a beauty product, but it's not makeup, skincare, anything like that. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff. Sign up for alerts. Do not forget to sign up for alerts so you know when I post a video. And also, do not forget to enter the giveaway. I have a giveaway for the Kylie palettes right here going on right now on my channel. So you will receive one of these palettes if you win the giveaway. And yeah, don't forget to enter, tell a friend. I link every product that I talk about down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested in purchasing it for yourself, or if you're interested in just checking it out, then don't forget to check the description. And also I have a lot of discount codes and stuff like that for you guys if you want to get some money off. I promise you guys I will not talk about something and say that I love it if I don't love it. And I am being super honest in my videos, I promise. I know that sometimes I'll have a discount code or something like that, and that's just to help you guys out. Disclaimer, FYI. All right, let's get into the first favorite of this month, or last month, whatever. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about, you guys have seen me talk about this a lot on Instagram stories, and this is going to be the Teami tea that I've been trying out for the month. I'm actually only on day 9, and it's like a 30-day detox, so I'm like a third of the way in, and I have been loving this. First of all, I just want to say, I am not a tea drinker. I am more of a coffee drinker. I do coffee, I wake up, I drink coffee immediately. I have it twice a day typically. So with incorporating this tea, I'll tell you guys about how it works and stuff like that, but with incorporating this tea into my like daily schedule, my life and all that stuff, I have cut back my coffee intake by 50%. So instead of having 2 a day, I will wake up and immediately have this tea. The way that this tea works is that you start day 1 by taking the skinny tea, and I love this tea, it's so good. And I'm telling you guys, I'm not a hot tea drinker. I'll drink like half and half tea like every now and then. I'll drink my mom's sweet tea because it's very, very weak and like not very sweet at all. So what you do is you do every other day, you do the skinny tea, the next day you'll do skinny tea, and then you do the nighttime. It's actually a colon cleanse tea. So you do this one every other day. But I have been absolutely obsessed. It's really just supposed to detox you. I've been really looking for a good detox. And first of all, I do wanna say, I know that these detox teas are like very trendy, and like I see them all over Instagram and I'm just like eye roll, you know? They did reach out to me and they were like, hey, we love your content. We would love to send you some Teami. And I thought about it. And then I looked on their website and I looked on their Instagram. I always do that before I like agree to anything, of course. And I looked at it and I was like, you know, this sounds like a really good idea. I looked and it was like, the ingredients seem to be pretty good, and this sounds like a really good thing for me. I'm looking for a detox. I want to like kind of shed some pounds, and you know, I try to be pretty healthy for the most part. I do indulge and I do splurge sometimes, but I'm trying to be pretty, you know, eating clean right now. So I was like, this will be a perfect thing to kind of jumpstart me. And I know I've heard a lot of people that do this and they lose weight from it, or they just feel a lot better. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. Why not? I've never done one before and I've been enjoying it so much. And I definitely wanna keep doing this after this 30-day cleanse. I definitely wanna do it again and look into see what else they have. But I've been absolutely obsessed. I'm telling you guys, I am not a tea person. Tea has always reminded me, like hot tea has always reminded me of being sick, because I drink it when I'm sick and not feeling well. I'll drink echinacea herbal tea. But this is just different. Like it starts my morning routine on the right note. Having some hot tea, doing my daily devotional, and then I love kind of coming home to a hot cup of tea. It kind of makes me like not really even crave wine or not even want wine. I've really been not drinking near as much wine anymore. So like instead of having a glass of wine, I'll have the tea, and it's just a nice little nightcap for me. I also love, this is one of my favorite things ever, and I don't always use it, but this is the Teami tumbler, and I chose the white color because I just love white so much. But it's this tumbler, and there's like 4 parts to it. So it detaches like this, and I guess it has this extra part so that whenever your tea is hot, it's not gonna like burn your hands, which is awesome. And it'll twist off, and there's, this is the coolest part. There's this little, I don't know, mesh strainer thing right here, but that will come out too. And if you want to strain your tea leaves in there, you can actually keep your tea leaves in here. So you can get all the use out of your tea leaves. I absolutely love this thing. I love this. I love both of the teas, and I like look forward to it. I get kind of sad when it's the day just that it's the morning tea and not the nighttime tea because I love doing both of them. And if you guys have any teas that you really like, let me know down below. I'm seriously obsessed and I'm gonna keep doing this forever because I'm like, wow, I didn't realize I was missing out. And it's a great thing to incorporate into your daily routine. I love it and you guys should try it if you're interested in some sort of a detox. I love Teami. The brand is awesome. Definitely follow them on Instagram. They have a lot of really great information if you have any questions. I've been following them and up to date with everything. I absolutely love Teami. I call it Teami time. Whenever I drink my tea, it's Teami time. So anyways, moving on to the next thing. This, I have been growing in love with it. I am so obsessed. And it's not that clean, so I'm really sorry, but I'm obsessed with this Sigma Spa Express matte. This is amazing and it helps me clean my brushes so well. I normally just used to clean my brushes like in my hand and swirl it in my hand and like squeeze out the water, swirl, squeeze. But this has helped me so much clean my brushes. I think my favorite part is like the suctions on the back. So this will suction onto your sink. It has different textures, 7 different textures on here depending on the brush that you have. And I just love this. It's small, it's compact. It really gets a deep clean on your brushes and it doesn't wear out your hands from scrubbing on your hands. So I love this and I'm gonna get a discount code for you guys if you guys are interested in buying it. I just became an affiliate with Sigma, which is awesome. Thank you so much to Sigma for sending me this, but I don't have a discount code set up and I'm working on it. And hopefully by the time that this video is up, I will have it right here. Yes, okay, awesome. All right, moving on to eyeshadow palettes. I know that I just purchased these 2 eyeshadow palettes and I'm obsessed with them. I love them so much. I do wanna kind of share a little briefly like what I think about each of them. And of course is the NORVINA. I know I messed it up and I'm so freaking pissed at myself that I spilt my sister's like tinted moisturizer on my palette and I ruined the front of it, but you know, whatever, it adds character, I guess. It has like a very purple undertone pinks. It has some color, but it also has some neutrals in there. And then I have this Kylie Sipping Pretty palette, 21 shadows. The other one has 13, 14. Basically, if I had to pick between these 2 palettes, I really like them both, but I would hands down pick the Kylie palette over this NORVINA palette. I like it a lot, it's pretty, but something about these ANASTASIA palettes, they just have a lot of fallout for me and it really like kind of bugs me to get so much fallout. You know, it's not like a huge deal, but it's a lot of fallout, like it really is. And some of the mattes aren't like super matte. I feel like some of them are more matte than others. The pink and the purple have like more of a satiny sort of finish to them. So I wish that they were a little bit more matte. But yeah, they're really pretty. I like them a lot. I'm actually wearing the NORVINA palette on my eyes right now. I took the shades, this shade right here, what is that, Love? I used Love, and then I went over top of it with Wild Child, and then I mixed some rose gold in there as well. I did this on the lower lash line. Yeah, if I was to pick between the 2 palettes, I'd definitely pick the Kylie palette. It is, to me, a lot better quality. Like, I just like it. I like the shades in there better. I feel like it's a lot more wearable, and I feel like the pops of color are just fun. I'm definitely thinking about trying something with this blue color right here. I had somebody ask me to do one with the blue, so I'm thinking about it. We'll see, maybe I'll try that out soon. But I love this palette so much. I wish the packaging was a little bit different. Like, I don't know, I feel like it could have been a little bit more unique, a little bit more pretty, and it just kind of says Sipping Pretty. I mean, it goes with the 21 theme, but I think the packaging could have been a little bit better. And this is just the classic Anastasia packaging. So just comparing the 2 of them, they're both very different palettes, but I definitely would go with the Kylie one over the NORVINA palette. NORVINA is pretty, it's very pretty. And the shimmers are really shimmery and very vibrant and pretty. I like them, but I don't know, the mattes have kind of let me down a little bit for some reason. The mattes, I think it's because they have a little bit of shimmer, a tiny bit of that satin in there. They just don't, I don't know, they don't give me enough. They're still pretty, don't get me wrong. I like the Kylie palette better than the NORVINA palette. So the next thing that I'm gonna talk about is a concealer is the next thing. And this is the NARS concealer. And this is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Medium 1 Custard. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So I have been really obsessed with this concealer lately for spot concealing. I've had a really rough skin month this month. Most of my skin is cleared up, by the way, but it was a lot of hormonal breakouts, if you know what I mean. And I had a lot of breakouts on this side of my face, and then I had a really bad zit. I know you guys could see it. I know you guys could see it. It's so bad. I almost made it into a mole, but then I knew it'd be obvious. So, but anyways, I use this a lot to spot conceal, and it really helped me out. I don't use this under my eyes, but I do like it for spot concealing, and that's like the use that I found for it because I didn't like it under my eyes. And I really do like it, and I highly recommend it. It's very pigmented. It's just too thick for me for an under eye concealer. The next concealer that I'm gonna talk about is amazing, and I love it, and you guys need it in your life. 100%. And this is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It is amazing. It is so full coverage, and this is my new favorite concealer. Like, I've used this. This is taking place for my Tarte Shape Tape. I do love the Tarte Shape Tape, but this one's like a little bit more luminous for me. So I like this so much, and it still has that really, really full coverage look. And I feel like I might pick this up in a darker color for contour. I think it'd be really pretty because it's so full coverage. A little bit would go such a long way. I'm gonna talk about this oil that I've been loving day and night, actually, probably more so at night. But honestly, I like it both. If I'm not wearing makeup, I do it during the day too. And this is by the Organic Skin Company, and it's called the Good Oil. It has honeysuckle and turmeric in it. It says with organic honeysuckle and turmeric supercritical extracts, it really is the good oil. I don't mind the smell at all. It smells just kind of fresh, like honeysuckle. It's such cute packaging. I love their products. I'm gonna be talking more about their products soon, and I believe I am gonna have a discount code for this soon, so stay tuned for that and just keep checking down below. It's very hydrating for me. I have very dry skin, and I really love that the way that this works with my skin. All right, moving on to highlighter. So believe it or not, I've really been into like more of a natural highlight this past month, the past couple weeks, and this has been my go-to that I've been reaching for, especially when my skin is like not doing what I want it to do and my skin is breaking out. I don't really wear a lot of highlighter. Like, I only wear highlighter when I feel like I'm really confident in my skin and I'm having a very good skin day or week or few days, whatever it might be. So this is the KEVYN AUCOIN Neo Highlighter in Golden Rose Glow. It is so pretty and so natural. I never honestly thought, it's not that clean, so please forgive me. It's not very pretty in the pan or anything like that, but you probably can't tell, but it goes from sort of like a darker brown to like a pink to more of a champagne. And this is something that I didn't really think that I would like, because I didn't know if I'd like it or not, because I don't usually like colors that are all mixed like that, but honestly, I love it so much. It is so pretty, and it gives me this such natural glow, and it kind of looks like it's just the other woman where she was like, it's just sweat. Like, that's the way that I feel like this looks. I've been really loving that product because it is just very natural, and it's not too much. Sometimes when I put on too much highlighter, I'm like, oh my God, I feel like a disco ball. And you know, I'm getting a little bit older, and my skin is maturing, and sometimes it just doesn't look good, and I just feel like it makes my skin look worse if I put too much on. So this has been like my favorite, my go-to this month, and I love it. So last but not least, I'm gonna talk about lip products, and this is my favorite combination for the month. And shout out to my girl D for showing me this lip liner by Sephora, and it is their Sephora Crayon Lip Liner to Go in the shade Nude Beige. It is so beautiful, and I'm wearing it right now, of course. She gave me this, thank you so much, D. But it is so pretty, and it has like more of a blue undertone, and it is just so beautiful. It's literally the perfect nude color. I love it so much. And then the gloss that I wore in my Snapchat that everyone was like, oh my gosh, what gloss are you wearing? It's so pretty. It is this Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Brillo. I'm wearing it right now, and it is so pretty. It's by it's the Dose of Colors ILUVSARAHI collection. I got it because I was like, if this is anything like over the top lip gloss, then I want it. It's not as gold, but it is so pretty. I have it on right now, and I'm obsessed with it. I get a lot of compliments on it. It gives you just like this sun-kissed look, and like, I feel like people just look at me when I'm wearing it, and they're just like, it's on your lips, and I'm just like, wouldn't you like to know? Just kidding. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. That wraps up my favorites video. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of this stuff for yourself, or if you're looking at any of it, I have everything linked down below, so go check it out down there. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, sign up for alerts. Thank you guys so much for all the love. I feel so loved and so much support from you guys from my Old Navy haul. I am just over the top, so excited about that. So thank you so much. Let me know what you guys want to see next down below. Thinking about filming an apartment tour soon, so let me know what you think about that. Maybe another look from Kylie. Definitely doing a Sephora haul after I finally make my order on Sephora's website. I have so much more that I have added to my cart since I made that Sephora video, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.